Hello students and welcome to CAIE Grade 4 Maths Unit 1. My name is Diana Sayek and I will be your teacher in this video. In this unit, we will cover the following topics: numbers and digits, place value, expanded form, partitioning, and rounding numbers. Let's get started with digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are all digits. The order of the digits create different numbers. So let's take, for example, the following digits: 1, 6, 2. I can make them into different kinds of numbers. For example, 612. I can also rearrange these digits and create another number. For example, 216. The same digits, it's just a different number. Let's take another look. 621. Again, my digits are still 1, 6, and 2. How about another number? 261. Can you think of another number that I can make with the digits 1, 6, and 2? Let's see. Yep, 126 is another number I can make with the digits. We have two-digit numbers. 61 and 25 are two-digit numbers. If you notice, when writing two-digit numbers in words, there is a hyphen or this little line between the two numbers. For example, 22. Again, you can see the little line. And these are the numbers between 21 and 99. More examples are, for example, 76 and 34. But be careful. As we said, it's from the numbers 21 and 99, so the teen numbers don't get the hyphen. And also, the numbers like 50, 40, 30, they also do not get any hyphens when writing them. Three-digit numbers, for example, 760, 347, 413. Make sure you write "and" with three-digit numbers. For example, 422. We have four-digit numbers: 7,629, 3,478, 4,912. And here's another example for you: 6,514. These are all four-digit numbers, and these are how you write them out. Next is place and value. Each digit has a place value in the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands place. Here is my number, 1,267. I can place each digit here of this number in one of the place and value chart. So let's look. My 7 is in the ones place. My 6 is in the tens place. The 2 is in the hundreds place, and the 1 is in the thousands place. Each digit has a place in the place and value chart. Let's take a look at another number. This number is 8,010. So, let's take a look. What number goes in the ones? 0. How many tens do I have? 1. How many hundreds do I have? 0. And how about thousands? I have 8. Great job. Sometimes we can ask, what digit is in the hundreds place? Let's find what digit is in the hundreds place of this number, 8,593. First, let me go ahead and put each number in its correct place value. 1. In the ones place, we have the 3. In the tens, we have the 9. In the hundreds place, we have the 5. And in the thousands place, we have got the 8. So, the question is, what digit is in the hundreds place? Here's my hundreds. The digit 5 is in the hundreds place. Maybe they can also ask you, what is the place value of the digit 9 in the number 8,593? So, first of all, let's place each digit in the correct place value. So, ones, how many ones do I have? 3, 9, tens, 5 hundreds, and I have 8 thousands. So what is the place value of the number 9? It is the tens place. Great job. Now, place and value is very important for us to be able to do the expanded form of a number. Here is a number, 8,072. I first place each digit in the correct place value. So I have 2 ones, 7 tens, 0 hundreds, and 8 thousands. Now, for me to do the expanded form, all I need to do is write it out. So 8,072 equals what? 8 thousands plus 0 hundreds plus how many tens? 7 tens make 70 plus 2. This is the way to write the expanded form of a number. Let's take a look at another example. Let's find the expanded form of 4,965. Again, let's first find the place value of each digit. So, ones, how many ones do I have? 5. How many tens do I have? 6. How many hundreds? 9. And how many thousands? 4. Now we can proceed to do the expanded form. 4,965 equals 4,000s plus 900s plus 6 tens, which makes 60, plus 5. This is the expanded form of 4,965. For rounding numbers, it is also useful to know the place value of each one. When we round numbers, they will ask you to round to the nearest 10 or nearest hundreds or nearest thousand. This is why it is important to know the place value of each digit. So let's look, for example, this number. I have 865. I have 5 ones, 6 tens, and 8 hundreds. And here they're asking me to round to the nearest 10. For me to round to the nearest 10, I need to go and see the ones place. Is the number equal to or greater than 5? If yes, then I'm going to round up to the nearest 10. So if I'm going to round up to the nearest 10, what number would go there? And I would round up to 870. Let's look at another example. Let's round 862 to the nearest 10. I go ahead and put my place value chart in. I have each digit in its correct position. I have 8 hundreds, 6 tens, and 2 ones. If I'm going to round to the nearest 10, what do I need to do? Yes, I need to take a look at my number in the ones. Is this number greater than or equal to 5? Nope, it isn't. So I'm going to round down to 860. We can also round numbers to the nearest hundred. Here's my number, 852. I have placed it in the digits in the place value chart. To round to the nearest hundred, I must look now at the tens place. Is the digit in the tens place greater to or equal than 5? If yes, I round up. So 852 is going to be rounded up to 900. Don't forget, I'm rounding to the nearest hundred. If we look at another example, rounding to the nearest hundred, 832, I put it in each digit in its place value. So I take a look at my tens. Is this number 3 greater than or equal to 5? It isn't, so I'm going to round down to 800. Great job. All right, students. In this video, we learned numbers and digits, place value, expanded form, partitioning, and rounding numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you soon.